For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India has surpassed UK to become fourth worst affected country by COVID-19. The cases in the country stand close to 3 lakh. India is only behind 4 countries when it comes to the COVID-19 cases. Russia, Brazil and the United States are ahead of India in terms of confirmed COVID-19 cases. India registered its highest single-day spike in the number of COVID-19 cases. The country saw 10,956 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. 396 people have died of COVID-19 in a span of 24 hours. Total cases 2,97,535. Discharged 1,47,194. Active cases 1,41,842. Number of deaths 8,498. The COVID-19 cases in India are approaching the 3 lakh mark. The silver lining is the number of recoveries. They are more than the number of active cases. The number of discharges in the country stand at 1,47,194. The active cases are at 1,41,842. 5 states which have majorly contributed to India's COVID-19 tally are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Maharashtra continues to remain worst coronavirus hit state with over 97,000 cases. 3,590 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state so far. 46,078 people have recovered and have been discharged in the state. Tamil Nadu is the second worst affected COVID-19 state with over 38,000 COVID-19 cases. The state has seen 20,705 discharges, while 349 people have died of COVID-19. Delhi is third in the list of worst affected states with over 34,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Over 12,000 people have been discharged, while 1,085 people have died of the deadly virus. Gujarat, on the other hand, has registered over 22,000 COVID-19 cases with over 15,000 discharges and 1,385 deaths. In Uttar Pradesh, the situation also remains worrisome. The state has seen over 12,000 COVID-19 cases. Over 7,000 people have been discharged, while 345 people have died of COVID-19. Amidst the chaos, the good news is India's recovery rate at 49.21%. A total of 1,47,194 people have recovered and have been discharged. The number of discharges continues to be more than active cases for the third consecutive day. According to Indian Council of Medical Research Director General Balram Bhargav, India has not yet stepped into community transmission. He said, "We have to continue with our strategy of testing, tracing, tracking, quarantine and containment measures. We should not give up our guard on these." The country continues to see a record high with each passing day. Always remember, prevention is better than cure.